Here is a demo for the Nerdy Anniversary card. Insert the battery by placing the right side under the hook, then press down on the left side. To remove the battery, pull up on the left side. There's a secret video game that can be activated by holding down the button while turning on the power. What should I name this game? My friend Danner suggested I add a secret game to these cards, so I made this one inspired by the Chrome Dinosaur game. I used X's and O's because of the anniversary theme, but what should I name it? Best name will get programmed into the software. For regular operation, turn on the card using only the switch. It plays Minuet in G and can either display a custom or default message depending on your purchase. After the song, the user is asked to test the Love-O-Meter by holding down the button. Keep holding until love is detected. After the Love-O-Meter, another custom or default message is displayed. On the back, you can write your partner's name, anniversary number, and date. Let me know if you all have any questions, and happy anniversary!